to leave my room, I put a mask on just to make sure, you know, because obviously I already got it. I mean, I've sprayed down my room numerous times, so much so I've actually run out of disinfectant. I have a few still, like wipes and stuff like that, so I've been keeping that with me so I can just wipe down every place that I've touched when I go out there. And so now I'm gonna go get some cereal and some coffee because I'm hungry and I gotta do some work. I think this is probably the best part. Smell it through the mask, boy.
Hey, delivery for CMB.
That's me.
Corona man, Vargas.
Oh my God. It's jacked up. All right, I'm gonna answer the door so y'all get away. I'm gonna drag it in here. Are y'all backed up? All right. Oh snap, son. Woo! Thanks, sir. Alright, fam. I don't even know if I'm in focus right now, but I don't care. The focus is this TV. Like with any good unboxing, you need a dope unboxing knife. And this is a non-supreme unboxing knife. Let's see. Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. So this is actually the TCL 6 Series 2020 55-inch, probably the dopest TV you can buy for the money right now on the market today. I wanted to wait till Black Friday, but being that I caught the Rona, I said why not? So I went ahead and ordered this last night, did curbside, and my uncle picked it up for me. So shout out to him. He's the guy that you saw just a while ago. His name is Isaac, and you are awesome. So this is the part of the stand. Instructions, power cable, remote, and styrofoam. This is the TCL 6 Series 2020 edition. It's a 55-inch TV, which I feel like is perfect for your bedroom. I bought this TV for two reasons. The first, because of the newest technology that's available with it, which is the mini QLEDs that they put in it. The black levels are freaking beautiful. For how much I paid for this TV, compared to how much other TVs are going for, ridiculously awesome. This is one of the newest TVs that just came out within the last month or so, but it's definitely a TV worth picking up in my honest opinion, especially if all that you're doing is like watching movies. The second reason I bought this TV is obviously because I'm stuck at home, and honestly I've been meaning to buy a TV for my room for a while now, but this TV in particular is THQ certified game mode. So variable refresh rate gives you that Dolby Vision when you're playing your video games, color accuracy, super straight. The test that I'm probably most excited about, mainly because this is the thing that matters the most to me, is the black levels. And I don't expect them to be perfect, but let's see what this looks like. There's a little bit of blooming. Not terrible. It's definitely way better than a lot of TVs. Oh, good God. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this TV before tax is $650. With the warranty and everything like that, it was $850. And you definitely want to get your warranty on something like this. you.